Hey, this is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and I'm at 304 Bayberry Trail in Forney, Texas, and have I got a house for you? Are you looking for your first home? Are you looking to downsize? Possibly a long-term rental? Possibly an Airbnb? Hey, come with me, check this property out. It might be the perfect one for you. Let's go. Hey, so this is a lovely home in the popular Trails of Chestnut Meadows with easy access to schools and downtown Forney. With an open concept floor plan with 3 bedrooms and a sizable private office space, along with a spacious living room that offers plenty of space for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen and dining areas are well appointed with a large granite island which will easily seat 4 people. The primary bedroom is spacious with an ensuite bathroom and a sizable walk-in closet. The guest bedrooms are a good size. They have fresh paint, new carpet, and sizable closet space as well. The exterior has an open patio and provides access to a large grassy fenced backyard with plenty of space to play. The neighborhood amenities also include a community pool and playground. Hey, so once again, if this could be the house for you, we would love to show it to you personally or have your agent schedule it, and we would like to get your feedback on it. And there's a dog next door. So hey, it's got a great backyard for a dog if you have a dog as well. All right, have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.